How to set up parental controls on your Android. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up parental controls on your Android device. Let's begin. Open up Settings, scroll down until you find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. If you don't have the settings, just simply search for Parental Controls at the top right. Once you are here, you need to scroll down until you find Parental Controls. So here you can add content restrictions and set other limits to help your child balance their screen time. Tap on it. Now you can do it via your Google account, so just go ahead and tap on Let's Do This. Now you can select an account that you want to supervise and then tap on Supervise Account. Now you can easily go ahead and select the account that you want to supervise from, but you should only be able to sign in with one account that is going to be your parent account. So all of the other accounts will be signed out. Select your account and continue, and you should be good to go. Follow the other on-screen prompts and you should be able to supervise your other account and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.